In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and secure your Klarna account from download to first login. We'll walk through the entire setup so you can start using Klarna with confidence. First, grab the official Klarna app from your device's app store or head to the Klarna website in a secure browser. Make sure you're using the real app from a trusted source and that your internet connection is stable. Open it up and choose Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can log in, but today we're focusing on new signups. Next, you'll verify your identity with your phone number and email address. Enter each one carefully, then check your messages for the 6-digit verification codes Klarna sends. These codes can expire quickly, so use them right away and never share them with anyone. If a code doesn't arrive, double check you entered your details correctly, look in your spam or junk folder for the email, and request a new code if needed. This step helps protect your account and confirms that you can receive important alerts. Now it's time to provide your personal details. Type in your legal name and your current residential address exactly as they appear on official documents. In some regions, Klarna may ask for additional identification like a social security number or a valid government ID to confirm eligibility and meet regulatory requirements. Enter this information carefully and only within the secure Klarna app or website. If you're scanning an ID, use good lighting and make sure all details are clear. After that, set up your payment method. Link a debit or credit card that you plan to use for purchases and repayments. Your bank may place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card, which should disappear shortly. If the card doesn't link, ensure the billing address matches the one you provided and that the card supports online transactions. You can update or add more payment methods later in your account settings. Finally, secure your account. Create a strong PIN or enable Face ID or other biometrics if your device supports it. Choose something you can remember but that others can't guess. For extra peace of mind, keep your device's screen lock on. Update the app regularly, and never share verification codes or one-time passcodes. That's it. You've downloaded the app or visited the website, signed up, verified your contact details, added your personal information, linked a payment method, and locked everything down with a PIN or biometrics. You're ready to start exploring Klarna safely and confidently. If you ever need help, the in-app help center and support articles are a great place to start.